Hi there! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Daily Pips Trading, where we dive deep into this upcoming week where NFP is releasing this upcoming Friday. We're gonna take a look at quite a few trading assets, how we're gonna navigate them, and where to look for possible trade entries this upcoming week. So stay tuned to the analysis itself, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like to the video, subscribe to Daily Pips Trading. As every single analysis, we start with economic news calendar. So this upcoming Monday, we're not gonna engage with the price because we have no rest folder news running through the market on Monday itself. Tuesday, Wednesday trading is gonna be something that I'm gonna be incredibly interested in, but unfortunately, NFP is hitting the market on this upcoming Friday, September 6th. So NFP trading protocol is in play, and we shouldn't be taking any positions starting this upcoming Wednesday. We're gonna take a look in a minute, but the markets are situated in a possible reversal. So not only NFP is hitting the market, but the markets are in the weird place themselves. How random is that? Anyhow, we're gonna take a look at the market itself, but keep in mind, NFP is hitting the market this Friday. Nothing high probability is gonna be presented for us this upcoming week. So let's take a look at the chart. Stay very careful with what I'm gonna say today. So diving into the bonds, keep in mind that for majority of futures contract, the September contract itself is maturing in about 2 weeks. By the end of the video, I'm gonna take a look at how to predict whether the contract is still valid for you or not. But looking at the September's contract itself, I would still like to see bonds diving deeper into this weekly imbalance right below the current market price. And daily chart is giving us exactly that, where we were expecting this volume imbalance to hold off the price, allowing to push lower. And not only that, we inverted this daily imbalance right here, which is kind of allowing us to continuously push lower. So for the target itself, I'm looking at this weekly imbalance, and I'm looking for this daily imbalance right below to get filled. Keep a 50% level on the weekly imbalance as well. If we're gonna remain above it, bullish price action could continuously come into the space, come into the market. But if we're gonna start diving deeper into the lower half of the imbalance itself, that's gonna make it interesting, because inverting it is gonna be quite a possibility later throughout the last quarter of this year. Dollar index continuously went lower, and now is coming back into the weekly inversion level, where we should be looking for a short. But I'm gonna show you why I'm not too keen on that, especially knowing that the bonds should continue lower, right? And we know especially that when the bonds are moving lower, we're expecting dollar to continuously move higher. Isn't that true, right? Daily imbalance here got inverted, so I'm gonna put it in a very simple manner for myself. I'm gonna be looking for the market to retrace into that daily imbalance, and I'm gonna be looking for a long right away from it. If that is not happening, everything below this order block is gonna bring the price to 19,578. But before that, the structure is broken for me. So I'll put it in a very interesting way now. If continuously look at the bonds and what the bonds are going to do throughout the week, if the bonds start crashing towards that weekly imbalance, this is gonna bounce and this is gonna continue higher. If the bonds consolidate or start pushing higher, we're just moving towards 99,500. Euro USD weekly imbalance looks to get filled, right? But let's focus on the daily chart itself. My expectation, to be fair, here is for this order block to get tagged, right? Not only we broke the structure, going right below that 22nd of August low that we called for in the weekly analysis last week, I'm looking at the possibility of this happening. Have a daily imbalance right here. I would love to see this not getting filled, right? And you see this imbalance right here. I would love to see this being treated as a breakaway gap, the price coming back into this, pushing down to the order block itself. And again, I'm gonna be repeating myself here. Everything above this order block long term is bullish, pushing the price towards 1.12750. Only and if the order block right here gets broken, I'm looking for sell side to be tagged. Weekly chart on GBP USD. Again, just like with Euro USD, I'm watching the order block itself. That's why I'm on liquidity right now, but I'm expecting the order block to continuously allow the market to push higher. Take a look here at the daily. Again, daily structure is not broken just yet, up until the point that we continuously push lower below this daily imbalance. How low can the market go? Put this to your notes. If daily imbalance holds in the price, I'm looking for a push to the upside for the remainder of the year. But right now, my targets are very simple. 1.29895 and even as low as 1.29 short, somewhere around that. And maybe even as low as 1.29300. This daily imbalance, again, keep a 50% level on it. Watch how the market reacts down there. Index futures are looking bullish. Sadly, I was expecting lower prices to come into the marketplace, but we're not getting that. Too bad, let's say, but this is what we're gonna have to deal with. Volume imbalance down below here is holding in the price, and daily fair value gap is allowing the market to push higher. So my interest, I'm gonna be saying it in a very sad, but at the same time honest manner, 56.69 and then 57.21.25. Looking at the chart, only at the chart, we're looking for buy side liquidity to be attacked. And here, this is where we're gonna make something interesting happen, because 80% of my analysis actually, especially when the maturity of the contract comes into place, comes from looking at the next contract and where majority of the market is interested to see the price going towards to later throughout the year. So take a look here. Now the contract of September is trading at 56.56 in a half. Let's take a look where the contract for December is gonna be trading. 57.18. What do I get out of that? 57.18 is a lot higher, is kind of 50 points higher than September's price right now. That is one of the best indications for me why the price should be pushing high. Hope you understood what I just did there. If not, Discord community is, I think, the right choice for you. So if you want to learn more about what I just did looking at the December's contract and how I kind of confirm my analysis here in terms of technical price structure, reaching for higher heights because of December contract trading a little bit higher than September is, pass by the Discord community. I think it's going to be a very good choice for you. The link is down below. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq futures layout. Nasdaq, brilliant delivery. We were looking for lower prices this week. Did we get that? Yes, we did. And now we're bouncing away this daily imbalance. And what did I say last week? Even though my drawn liquidity is lower, even though I want this imbalance to get filled, I'm watching higher prices. I'm always watching higher prices on index futures. Index futures have been giving us higher prices for 40 years pretty much. Knowing that, I am expecting higher prices every time I sit in front of the chart. Bouncing away from this is incredibly reasonable. If we continuously do it with speed, buy stops at 20, all 25 is a possibility, and then draw liquidity in terms of July 16th and 2400 chart, quite a possibility for us. Is Nasdaq going to hit the all-time highs? Let's take a look at the December's contract. We're trading at 19,600 pretty much. On September delivery contract, 1900, 850 pretty much. On December delivery contract itself, almost 300 points difference. That is quite a confirmation for the upcoming 2 weeks that the market is gonna rally. I'm gonna be looking for an entry towards buy side liquidity, resting up above. So again, for a small recap, take a look if bonds are gonna continuously run lower, allowing the dollar index to kind of continue into that weekly fair value gap, and euro and pound to hit that order block both on daily and weekly levels. Interest, in my point of view, in futures, because of December contract trading a lot higher than the September delivery is, buy stops to be run through. Take a look at that double top resting above us on S&P, maybe even at the all-time high as well, and continuously watch 20,200 chart on Nasdaq itself. With this in mind, I very much appreciate you passing by. I very much hope you enjoyed the analysis itself. If you did, leave a like down below for the video itself. We very much appreciate you doing that. And for now, I'm gonna wish you to be safe, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.